Hey guys, welcome back to the emngee channel. I'm Monday, and in today's video, I'm going to be making some hamburger buns from scratch. So before I get into the video, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. So let's get into it.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so the ingredients you're going to need for these burger buns are all-purpose flour, agave, coconut oil, sea salt, some lukewarm water. I will warm this up in the microwave, 1 egg for the egg wash, and I do use the packets of yeast and make sure it is active. Alright guys, so as soon as you get all your ingredients, you're going to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a large bowl, and also make sure that you have a packet of yeast and lukewarm water, and put that to the side for about 10 minutes or so until it bubbles up looking like this. Also, I do have a teaspoon of salt. I have 1 tablespoon of agave and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So with all of these liquids, you're just going to put it in with the flour and just kind of mix it up until it turns into a dough. Alright, so after you mix everything in the bowl, you're going to come out with a dough that looks kind of like this. I did knead it for maybe like 5-10 minutes or so, and I just have this in a ball. I'm just going to put a little bit of coconut oil on here just so it doesn't stick to the bowl, and I'm just going to put this in the bowl, cover it with some saran wrap, and I'm going to keep it there for about an hour until it rises. So I will be back in an hour and show you how the dough looks like. Alright guys, so after your dough has risen, you're just going to cut them into small pieces as you saw in that clip, and you're just going to cover them, let it rise for another 40-45 minutes, and then it's ready to be in the oven. So this is how they look like now. I'm just going to take an egg wash, which is just 1 egg, and I'm just going to brush them, and I'm going to also put some sesame seeds on there. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and you're going to have these in the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes. Or until like golden brown. Just make sure you keep an eye on it. Alright guys, these are how the buns turned out of the oven. As soon as they came out the oven, I ended up just putting melted butter on them, and this is how they look like. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you made the burger buns or if you liked the video. And don't forget to like the video. Thanks, and see you in the next video.
Come on. Action.
Alright, you ready? Alright.
With some authority. Like you believe in it. You hungry?
I am, though.
I know, so the longer this takes, we're gonna starve unless this food.
Alright, alright.
But keep it short, simple, no more than 10 seconds. Like, we gotta keep them entertained.
Okay.
They're gonna click off if we're not getting to the point.
Okay, baby.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Am I loud enough?
You're good, but just keep it going. Just say it, babe. Say it. Even if you have to spray it, say it.
Oh, hey guys, welcome. Oh, did I screech?
You're good. Come on. Passion, authority. Like you believe it. You're talking to millions of subscribers right now.
Millions?
Millions.
I didn't know we had
We passed Cutie Pie.
Ooh, word.
So all these people are watching,
Okay.
Speak
okay.
with some authority.
All right, I don't know millions. Yo, what
Yeah.
up? What up, yo? Thank
Let's
you for the
go.
support, yo.
What up? What up? What up? This your boy. Yeah, we gotta need some authority in here.
That's not-
Speak it.
that's
Come
not-
on, girl. Let's go.
All right. You got it. I'm not.
Welcome to the emngee channel.
All right. I don't know. Maybe.
No, we need that passion. Come on.
All right.
This is why we need a teleprompter. This is why, but we don't need one though. We're wasting hours on it. Do it one last time. That's the last time. Say it. Okay? But this time, just because I say it with authority doesn't mean say it fast.
I'm just trying to get through it.
You know what I'm saying? Take a breath. Welcome to the emngee channel. Like literally, just like that. Welcome to the emngee channel. Listen to that. You know what I'm saying?
Slide on me now. Pass me some shit from me in the car.
You're doing a run-on sentence. Welcome to the emngee channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Did I make it?
Could you say 10 seconds? 10 seconds.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like, with authority.
Please shut the fuck up with your stupid ass authority. I'm not the fucking police. Jeez. Don't look like that, yo.
Babe, you're wasting film.
Be quiet. It's been like 5 seconds. Alright, guys. Alright.
I'm gonna hit you over the fucking head. If you don't say these sentences.
Alright!
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Alright.